can't believe we're fucking doing this.
This is what happens when you let someone like Matt watch a YouTube video.
I know, right?
We just gotta see.
Put that in.
Is
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Did you put napkins in there?
I put a plate.
Oh, good. It's on a plate. This is gonna be fun.
Man, do you realize it's gonna smell like ass?
Not like this room doesn't stink already.
You got air freshener over there. We're fine.
Yeah, I know, right? I mean, look, your feet smell worse than anything I've smelled in a long time. I wonder how long it'll go.
terrible
Give
foot
it off
odor.
me, man. I wonder how long this will go.
I'm guessing at 240 it's popping.
No,
This
that didn't
is
sound good. It just kicked into hyperspeed. Did you hear that?
Alright, 240.
It just downshifted.
So with you in hyperspeed.
240 it's popping. What's your bet?
2. No, 220. Marcus,
230.
230.
240 it's popping.
201. 201. 241.
Bueller.
Wait.
It's getting ready to We were all wrong.
Stopped at 259.